Hey, this is a quick video to show you how to install Delta Kusto. Typically, you'll want to install that within a CI/CD pipeline, but I'll show you how to install it on your laptop. And from there, you can easily generalize to installing it in the CI/CD pipeline. So let's go on the home of Delta Kusto on GitHub. We see on the right-hand side the releases tab. Let's click on that. Currently, there's only one release, but otherwise it would all be there with the latest one on top. And you can see there's two downloadable, a Linux one and a Windows one. So choose the one you want. So let's start with Windows. I'm going to install it on PowerShell. So I'm going to copy the link here. And I'm going to switch to my PowerShell console. Once in PowerShell, I'm going to do a wget with the link that I copied, the Windows tar file. Then I'm going to output it locally, tar.jz. Download that. Easiest way to uncompress that is to run the tar command line with the output file we just downloaded. Now, if you look at it, you have an executable here, and we're ready to go. And first thing it does, it outputs the version, and we're done on the Windows side. Let's look at the Linux side. For Linux, I need the link over here, Linux side. Winline, similarly, I'm going to do a wget on this hyperlink. Once downloaded, I'm going to do a tar extract. If I look at the files, what I like to do on the Linux side is copy that in the bin folder, and then I can just use it. And it's ready to use. So we've seen how to install Delta Kusto. Now you can go to other videos to see how to use it.